friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discussing about NFT versus cryptocurrency. Before start the video, I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest videos. NFT versus cryptocurrency head-to-head comparison. When it comes to virtual assets, there are two main types: cryptocurrency and non-fungible token (NFTs). Both have their unique benefits and drawbacks. To better understand these two assets types, we need to do a comparative study based on different parameters. This article on NTS NFT versus cryptocurrency is a head-to-head comparison of the two most popular digital assets type. One of the primary differences between NFT and cryptocurrency is the NFT are unique digital assets that cannot be replicated, while crypto are digital assets that can be replicated. Both types have their advantages and disadvantages. So which is better, cryptocurrency or NTFs or NFT? The answer depends on what one is looking for. If one is interested in investing or trading and looking for something unique that cannot be replicated, cryptocurrency is an excellent choice. For a better understanding of cryptocurrency versus NFT, one can visit the best course on blockchain. Difference between NFT and cryptocurrency, detailed comparison. Definitions. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use encryption to prevent counterfeiting of double depending. The foundation of many cryptocurrency declarized network is blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger enforced by a dispersed network of computers. Because cryptocurrencies are frequently not issued by a central authority, they may be immune to government intervention or manipulation. What are NFT? NFTs are non-fungible token. Therefore, unlike conventional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, they cannot be exchanged for another. Since each NFT is distinct, they all have different values. NFTs are frequently used to depict digital objects like music, art, and other virtual assets due to how simple it is to buy, sell, and trade them on declarized platforms. They have been growing in popularity. Trading. A differences between crypto and NFT trading is that NFTs are unique and non-fungible digital assets, which means that each NFT is unique and cannot be replaced by another NFT. On the other hand, cryptocurrencies are fungible digital assets, meaning each cryptocurrency can be replaced by another cryptocurrency of the same value. When trading NFTs, one is trading is assist itself, but when trading cryptocurrencies, one is trading the underlying value of the assist. OpenSea, Arrival, Jupiter, Meta are the top NFT marketplace based in the USA. So friends, lot of thanks to watch my video. Thank you.